gather your supplies. You'll need a glue gun, scissors, adhesive Velcro strips, tape, a tape measure, an elastic band, and for good measure, some extra glue sticks and a pen. You'll also need some pliable foam sheets. I recommend the ones with the sticky back. You'll need 3 types of felt. Make sure to get the colors to match NYAN cats. And last but not least, you'll need 6 colored streamers. Red, orange, yellow, and purple. Now let's get NYANing. First up, the safety in your cat's measurements. Measure and cut the foam sheets into rectangles approximately the length of its neck to tail and height. This is where those sticky backs come in handy. Next, cut your tan felt about 3 or 4 inches larger than your foam rectangle. Then, place your foam rectangle inside your felt. Hot glue the edges and corners of the felt to the back of the rectangle. Good enough to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Next up, sweet cherry frosting. Cut a rectangle out of your pink felt about 1.5 inches smaller than your pastry. Hot glue down the corners and you're ready for some sprinkles. You're not seeing spots. You're in Sprinkle Town, my friend. Cut a 1/4 inch strip of hot pink felt and then cut further into smaller squares and rectangles. 10 to 12 per side. Now place them to your liking on the frosting and hot glue them down. Repeat the previous steps, so now you have 2 Pop-Tarts. No need for filling. The cat comes later. First, you have to make the harness. Cut your elastic band to the measurements of your cat's waist. Allow an extra inch or 2. No need to be too tight elastic band. Leave the cat squeezing to us. Cut and attach the Velcro strips to either end and opposite sides of the elastic band. Now glue the band to the back of one Pop-Tart and then the other. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, NYAN cats. And you know what that means. It's time for the rainbow. Cut the length of each of your colored streamers. Line them up and tape them to the back end of one of your Pop-Tarts. Or both for the more adventurous. With the rainbow attached, we are a go. But something's missing. Oh yeah, the cat! So there you have it, your very own NYAN cat costume. And now it's simply a matter of putting it on your cat.
Ya has visto, ya has visto. No metas la mano. Ya. Mira tu perro. Mira la película. El oso también. Está chido.
With Lego Mindstorms EV3, set number 31313, contains 601 pieces. Recommended building ages